Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications in the Trusted Housesitters application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the person button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then just scroll down and click on the settings button. And then click on the notifications button. And here just click on the white circle next to notifications and news. And once it turned blue, your notifications are enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.